Hello everyone, welcome to BTC 509 bioinformatics tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can search for the open reading frame, and we already know what is an open reading frame because I have already given that lecture and uploaded that lecture to Box. If you haven't seen it yet, please watch that video. Okay, it is in the prokaryotic and eukaryotic gene structure. So to figure out an open reading frame, we have to go to the server NCBI. We can do it in two ways. We can search for open reading frame NCBI, that is ORF NCBI, or we can go to the NCBI and then we can search for this particular tool. Okay, first let's type ORF and then NCBI. Okay, and here if you go through this procedure, it will directly take you to the open reading frame server. And if you want to go there manually, like you want to go from NCBI, say I am in NCBI, now how we can find the tool open reading frame? To search for the open reading frame, whenever you are in the server NCBI, you have to click here, all resources. Okay, now you have to press tools, and then here you will find the tool open reading frame. Okay, you see this is the open reading frame or ORF finder. So this is the server we are looking for. This is the same that we have opened before. Now I have to paste the nucleotide sequence in FASTA format. Either you can put NCBI accession number or you can paste the FASTA sequence. We will be doing both. So I am pasting NCBI accession number for this case, and for this case let's paste the FASTA sequence. Okay, so I'm copying the entire sequence and I'm pasting it here. Okay, and all the other things will be as it is. Okay, for our case we can keep it as ATG only because we know that our start codon will be ATG. So I'm pressing submit. So after pressing submit, we can see that we have 26 open reading frames. Okay, so this is our first open reading frame, and we can see it that it started below 1. That means the first amino acid sequence and a bit upstream, and then stop at 2712, and the length for the nucleotide is 2712, and amino acid will be 903, and they have already decoded the nucleotide sequence to amino acid sequence. So this is the amino acid sequence of this particular gene or this particular protein that we can get from this gene X21. Okay, there are a lot of other open reading frames they have predicted, and you can get the information for those particular open reading frames from by clicking here, or if you hover over the mouse to that particular open reading frame, it will show you the information as well. Okay, here the start codon is 19 and 97, and the stop codon is 1785, and it is in this particular direction. That's why the higher nucleotide numbers are at the downstream, like this particular side, and the end or stop codon is at the upstream area. And we can see that the length of the nucleotide is 2013 and amino acid will be 70, and this is the amino acid coding, or this is the amino acid sequence for this particular gene. So this is the basics of open reading frame. Okay, also we have pasted the accession number for this case. Let's submit it, and then the result we are getting will be same because this is the open reading frame we are calculating from the accession number, and this is the open reading frame we are calculating just directly pasting the FASTA sequence. So that's it for today's tutorial. In the future tutorials I'll be showing you some other important features and tools of genomics. Okay,